Hello everyone, this is KDT and this is the official audio version of the blog titles Why Children Should Learn Programming. And let's get started. Nowadays, many children doesn't know the importance of programming as they always concentrate on their school studies and stuff like that, and they don't get to know the extracurricular activities such as programming and concepts like that, because it's very essential for our future as the future depends on it, like concepts appearing like artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this article, I'm going to be giving the complete outline for children and other people, for the beginners of programming, how to learn programming, and watch the video till the end. Getting started in programming is quite simple actually. There are some minimal requirements such as a good computer or PC and a good and reliable internet connection and interest to do programming. So if you got these minimal requirements, let's move further to the next topic. Now there will be a question arising in all of your minds that which programming language to learn first. So this is an important option to consider according to your basis, and if you get it wrong it will be a pain. And here are my recommendations for the programming languages for you to learn first, and the list goes on with first HTML because it's a very basic language, also the first one to get started. And next comes the Python, the very powerful language and also a high level language which we can get started first to learn it first. And even I started my programming career by learning HTML, and next will be the basic programming which all have learned, and that's you can choose one of these by going to the websites and running some sample codes according to your compatibility. And after you've chosen the best programming language for you, let's dive into the next topic. Now there might be another question in your minds that what is the best resource available or the best programming course available in the market, and you should choose it carefully, because if you doesn't choose it carefully it will be a pain for you. And if you gotta think about going to the YouTube tutorials, coding tutorials, definitely I'm not recommending it, because they will not teach the advanced concepts in the programming and in-depth knowledge. So let me list out the platforms which is available and it's recommended by me, the list, and the list starts by Udemy. Udemy is one of the best resources available, because they have more content creators and there are tons of courses with high quality videos and tutorials at a very cheap price. So if you're a person who is not willing to spend a lot of money in learning programming, you can go for it. It's the best choice. Next comes the Simple Learn, and this is for the people who want to spend money and learn programming. And this also has a live instructor support that helps many people while they are stuck, because it's a live course and the instructor will be right in front of you. You can ask any doubt or any questions you want. So that's a very huge and plus option. Next comes the Treehouse. I have never actually used it personally for my learning experience, but it's very costly compared to those Udemy and Simple Learn. And the tutorials in Treehouse is very self-explanatory, and it's very basic, and like its advanced topics will be like basic to advanced. So it's a future for first-time learners. And I've also given the 3 links, the Udemy, Simple Learn and Treehouse, in the below, and you can check that out with my link that will redirect you to the website. I conclude by saying that programming languages are very important for the future, as the new topics like artificial intelligence and machine learning are approaching soon enough for us to learn. So we can use it in the topics like machine learning and artificial intelligence. And because of these topics arising, there will be many more job opportunities if you are very skilled in it. And be safe, and please subscribe to push notification, as the email subscription is no longer valid. And please feel free to post your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.